spent a few months using ETRADE in 2025, expecting a legacy heavyweight with no frills, but the experience surprised me. Between sleek mobile tools, AI-driven insights, and expanded banking, it felt like a platform trying to evolve. But after hitting its strengths and stumbling on a few rough edges, here's what stood out. ETRADE has long been a trusted name in online trading. In 2025, it's more than just stocks and options. It offers seamless trading across asset classes, powerful charting tools, premium educational content, and now features like commission-free ETFs and futures trading. The platform even extends into banking, offering interest and cash management options. Today, I'll walk you through what truly shines, where ETRADE still feels behind the curve, how its pricing stacks up today, and who it's best suited for. Trading on ETRADE remains smooth and sophisticated. You get intuitive drills for stocks, options, ETFs, mutual funds, futures, and even crypto, available in many states. The Power ETRADE platform, accessible via desktop and mobile, offers advanced tools including customizable charting, technical indicators, strategic order types, and real-time market data. New AI-powered features stand out. Active trader pattern recognition helps identify setups, automated earnings alerts deliver real-time insights, and smart plan portfolios help investors set up diversified playbooks with goal tracking and rebalancing. But it's not all markets. ETRADE has grown its banking capabilities too. Your uninvested cash can earn competitive yield, and the linked debit account offers seamless transfers. Mobile check deposit, fee-free ATM access for premium customers, and personalized budgeting tools give it a well-rounded financial suite feel. Pricing snapshot. Commissions are now in the rear view. ETRADE offers $0 online commissions for stocks and ETFs, and 0.65 per options contract. Futures and mutual funds may still carry small fees. Margin rates are competitive, though require account tiering for discounts. Power ETRADE access becomes $30 per month, but heavily discounted or waived with enough assets. What users appreciate. Longtime users love the trusted infrastructure, but are still thrilled by the modern interface, especially the mobile app's smart alerts and educational video library. Active traders appreciate the depth of tools in Power ETRADE, while Robo-Advisor Lite features help hands-off investors. Customer service remains responsive and live support across channels still stands out. What missed the mark? Complexity can be a burden. For beginners, the advanced features can feel overwhelming, and the AI insights sometimes require manual interpretation. Customer pricing disclosures, for example, margin tiers, can feel less transparent compared to newer challengers. Bank-like features are solid, but lack perks like integration with fintech savings or high-yield tiering. Plus, withdrawals beyond banking limits may trigger delays. ETRADE remains a mature, well-rounded platform for retail traders and DIY investors. It offers depth, trusted execution, and a growing set of tools that span investing and banking. If you value legacy reliability with modern intelligence, it still delivers. But if you need simplicity, high-growth fintech perks, or more beginner-friendly guidance, some newer platforms may feel more intuitive. ETRADE is a powerful, evolving platform with strong execution, flexibility, and growing smart features, but it rewards users willing to dig in and learn. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the one feature your dream investing app must have? I'd love to help you find it. See you in the next video.